I'd always hoped that I would somehow find my way back here. But I never really believed that it would ever materialize, because what does being a chef have to do with running a company? My great-great-great-grandfather settled here in the early 1800s and produced the first pounds of sausage right here in this farmhouse. And the company was started, and it was cheese and butter and dairy products, as the company name would suggest. The principles of the company were very simple: fresh, high-quality ingredients. That sort of has overlaid into what we as children were brought up on, which was good food. That's subsequently how I ended up in a career in food before I came to work for the company. I went to Paris to be a chef. It was probably the most incredible food laboratory anyone could ever imagine. There is something new and exciting in that environment every day. What we're making is hollandaise sauce. What I learned was how to make everything by hand, from scratch. What I like to cook is rather impromptu, and a lot of it has to do with what's available. I never know, A, how many people we're going to have for dinner, B, what we're going to have, and it drives my wife nuts. Can you give me another frying pan?
Oh, it smells so good. That pan smells terrific.
We have a lot of friends that come over, and we sit around and we eat and talk, and it all centers around the food. We're about to have eggs Benedict. I don't think I ever set my sights on becoming president of the company. I didn't count on it. Now that I have the responsibility, I can't think of anything I'd rather do. That tells me, it's a good fit.